Hey, good morning traders and welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today in this video, I'm gonna share with you the strategy that I'm gonna use and start to using right now with the gold, with Forex, and see if it is this rightable, this strategy for Forex and the gold and USD. So let's rock with this video. Hey, good morning traders and welcome. My name is Lester, and today let's go to watch if it is something right about the strategy for gold and USD and how I use it and how you can copy this trade and using this strategy for your own. So basically you are watching right now the IQ option broker, but you say, I said, why are you using this? You say this is for Forex. This is not Forex. This is binary options. No. Just watching the gold because I have another indicator key or a script here. So I prefer always watch this broker, watch trading view, and watch to the MT4. So let's go to reach this. This is the strategy that I always use with binary options. You recognize all the time the indicators that I use and how I trade with this strategy. So the thing that I'm gonna tell you is the same here. Let's go delete this, and it's how to use in this strategy with gold. If you're a subscriber on my channel, you know how I trade with this turbo strategy for binary options. Remember using the Bollinger Bands, the stochastic oscillator, and the RSI. So always waiting for a good opportunities to take it, trade for a put or for a call. But in this case, always you're gonna trade follow the trend. So we have an uptrend here. So we need to wait to the stochastic oscillator cross. Let's go to this example. The RSI going up and is close at the line 30, and the Bollinger Bands touch it and start going up. This is the indicators we need to know, we need to have before to take the trade, before to enter to the market. The market always is gonna give to us many chances to trade, a lot of opportunities to take the trade. So the huge mistake that I always made is impatience, taking the stupid decisions because don't waiting for the long time that I need or the time that I need before to taking the trade. What this means, the market always giving to you the opportunity. See one here, and let's go to delete this and watch the market here. Okay, the market always gonna give in to us opportunities. So giving to us, look at this. Giving to us this opportunity, this another here, this another here, this another here. So all the time giving to us the opportunity to trade for a call because we have a stronger uptrend. So I send this signal, and this is the results that I'm gonna have when I send the signal. So we have 25.22 risk and benefit with this signal that I send. And this happened because I enter in a good point with this strategy. This is the trade that I take it right now with this strategy, and this is the result that I haven't with this strategy for Forex too. But I trading with gold, okay? The gold moves a lot of money, moves a lot of pips, so we can have a rightable trade session if you take it a good moment to trade. Yesterday, I trade just selling because I saw a downtrend. But you notice this here. I'm gonna show you something here. I watched this for a long time because I like to trade with gold, and I wait in this point. Okay, I have this trade to take it. This opportunity, this jump here. I mark this opportunity and never take it for a call because I don't know, don't trust in my analysis. So I feel scared. I don't know, feel something, and I prefer don't take it that trade. It was a huge mistake because look at the trend. We have a huge uptrend here, and I never take it. Was a huge mistake, but I'm waiting for this point because I'm watching this for per month and I'm waiting for this one, and that never happened. That was a huge mistake for me. So my advice is, guys, if you want to use in this strategy, put in practice a lot. Follow the indicators the steps that I gonna tell you right now, and the strategy is the same with that I using with binary options. Waiting to cross in the stochastic, waiting to cross in the RSI, waiting to cross in or touching the Bollinger Bands, and you're gonna have a lot of opportunities here. See. This one. See, this was another one. Look at this. Look at this. The market always gonna give into us a lot of opportunities, but we need to have patience. Put in practice this strategy, and I really hope so. You're gonna start to generate profits. Touch it. Let me check this. My take profit. The signal was in the money signal that I sent, and I hope so. Continue going up. So I really hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell. Please leave your comments and see you in the next wave.